Guru grammar class begins. I have completed tense form 12, then uses of tenses, and after that I have given homework in all spheres. I have completed that, and today I begin the if clause. It is very important in the Kerala Public Service Commission test. If clause means a subordinate class. First of all, class means a group of words which give some meaning, may be divided into main class and subordinate class. If class means a subordinate class. Subordinate here, if class means subordinate class. In the examination, there will be two sentences. One may be if subordinate class, the other may be main class. There we have to concentrate on the verb in the if class and verb in the main class. Here example, if you work hard, you will pass. You have to concentrate here, work hard. That means present simple, that is V1. The other side or the main class will be always will or shall or can or may plus V1. So, if you work, you will pass. There are three types of if clause. First is open condition. Type 1 is called open condition. That I have told you, if you work hard, you will pass. You have to concentrate on the verb form. In the if clause, the verb is V1. The other side will be in the open condition, will or shall or can or may plus V1. That is the rule. That is open condition. Second type is improbable condition. If in the subordinate class or if class V2, that is past simple. Here, if I were a bird, this is subordinate class. This is where means after I, if I follows, if next you will have to use not singular but plural form, that is where, past simple. If I were a bird, I would fly. That is the rule. If here will to, in the other side, in the main class, there may be would or, should or, could or, might plus V1. That is, if I were a bird, I would fly high. Then type 3, unfulfilled condition of the past. Type 3 is called unfulfilled condition of the past. If Raja had won the election, he would have become an MP. The rule is that in the unfulfilled condition, that may be whatever may be, that you have to bear in mind that if clause contain had plus V3, in the other side of the main class, it will be followed by would have plus V3. The rule is would have or should have or could have or might have plus V3. This is the rule. And it is often asked, I have given PSC asked questions below here. I have given a tabular column here. that is, listen here, 1. Type 1, verb in the if clause, simple present, that is V1, the other side will be will or shall or can or may plus V1. This is the general rule. If you practice this, you can very easily earn 1 or 2 mark in the Kerala Public Service Commission test. The next thing is, second means improbable condition, that is where or will to. The other side in the main class will be followed would or should or could or might plus V1. It is a notable thing, V1. Then third thing is unfulfilled condition of the past, had plus V3. If in the if clause the verb may had plus V3, other side will have would or could or should or could or might plus have plus V3. Would have plus V3 or should have plus V3 or could have plus V3 or might have plus V3. These are the simple thing. If you bear means, you can very easily score mark in the Public Service Commission test or in the intelligent test or in UPSC test or anything. From if class Kerala PSC asked question, I have given 2 questions. Here, salesman, saleswoman, Handex 2017 asked question. If you learn well, this is subordinate class. Here the notable thing is learn. Learn means V1. What is the other side? You know that in the open condition, will or shall or can or may or plus 1. That is here, if you learn well, you would pass, that may not be. You could pass, that may not be. You would have passed, that may not be. You will pass. Answer, you will pass. The rule is, you know that in the subordinate class, if the verb may be present simple or V1, other side will be will or shall or can or plus V1. Here you will pass. This is asked question in the Kerala PSC Public Service Commission test. Salesman, saleswoman, Handex 2017. I shall give another question also. Village field assistant revenue test. Kollam, Ernakulam, Malappuram, Kasaragod 2017 question. If I heard and run from there, dash, the snake will kill me. The snake would have killed me. The snake would kill me. The snake have killed me. I have given you that in the question. Hadn't run means had plus V3. I have told you that had plus V3 means would, should, could or might plus have plus V3. The answer is the snake would have killed me. If you learn all these things, it is very easy things. You practice the thing. The 3 point only. There are 3 points only. You must bear in mind that if the question may be asked, you have to fill up the blanks either in the subordinate class, may be asked, or in the main class. There is no compulsion to ask if class only or main class only. That may be asked vice versa. You should bear in mind that if the main class, if subordinate class may be V1, other side will be will plus V1. And if the subordinate class V2, other side will be would plus V1. And the third thing is had plus 1. In the other side would have become, that is would have plus V3. This is the thing. I have given the PSC asked question also. You can very easily catch and you can seek mark if you practice well. And this topic came to end and you learn well, and my request is that you can subscribe the thing and you will be benefited. The most important questions in the Public Service Commission I will explain and give you, and it will be very benefit for you. And thank you. Today I close the class. I welcome you in the name of Gurudeva, and എല്ലാവർക്കും എൻ്റെ നമസ്തേ.